Jai Hind everyone, welcome again to the Furious 5 session, and here we are going to take few of the questions that are from the current affairs today's newspaper, and they are very most probable question for the UPSC as well as for the state PCS. So let's solve one by one, and we will not take that much time. Just you have to take the time that is permitted by the UPSC and the state PCS. So let's start with the first question. Which of the following bodies is responsible for implementing the Model Code of Conduct during the election in India? Supreme Court of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Election Commission of India, President of India. Okay. So, will it be President of India? Executive can be part of this? No. And could it be the Ministry of Law and Justice? Executive? You can cut down. Supreme Court of India? Can Supreme Court of the India have that much power? Yes, this is the separate from the executive. There is the chances that you can think, yes, there is the possibility, but the election is the main work of the Election Commission of India, and this Model Code of the Conduct is related to the elections in India. So it will be Election Commission of India. C will be the correct answer. Next question. The Model Code of Conduct comes in effect from the date of notification of the election schedule. B. Completion of voter registration is start of the nomination process. Formation of the new government. So, new government will be formed after the election. So, this is not possible. Start of the nomination process. So, if the nomination process is start, you can be confused. Yes, there could be the possibility. Completion of voter registration, this could be also possible. Notification of the election schedule. So, when the notification is there, for example, yesterday there was notification for the election schedule. It is going to start from the 19th of the April until the 1st of the June. So it will be A. So please be careful. This will be the A will be the correct answer. Next question. Sickle cell disease is a group of disorders caused by bacterial infection of the blood, abnormal hemoglobin in the red blood cell, parasitic infection affecting the bone marrow, vitamin deficiency. Okay, so here we know that this is the inheritance. This comes from the inheritance, and this comes from the parents to the children. And both parents' genes should have the abnormality, only then it will be this. So it is the abnormal hemoglobin in the red blood cell, and this is coming from the both of the parents. So please remember this. This sickle cell disease anemia, this has the mostly attacking the tribal population. The second thing is that this is mainly into the central India. Okay, so please remember all this. This doesn't have the cure, but the creases, there is a lot of pain, and to reduce that pain we have some of the medicine, and India have started its indigenous medicine. That's why it was in the news, and it is very cheap. Next question, question number 4. Identify the primary mode of inheritance for the sickle cell disease. X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive, autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive. So it will be the autosomal, because here the gene of the both parents is needed, and only then it is possible. So autosomal is the correct answer, and it will be the recessive. So D is the correct answer. Next question. Consider following statement about sickle cell disease in India. It is primarily a health concern affecting the tribal population. Here, the disease has a higher prevalence in India than any other country. Okay. So which of the above statement is correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So here we know that this is prevalent in the tribal community. So this is correct. But this is not the highest into the India. There is the sub-Saharan country who have the more number of the cases. So you will this will be not that much correct statement. Only A is the correct answer, because only 1 is correct, second is incorrect.